Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And as For the last topic, last session, what we have done was we have seen that how we can create a junction object, how we can use a master details relationship using the junction object, how we can use a lookup relationship in using the junction object, and multiple things in the last video, right? How we can delete the record, how we can restore the record from the recycle bin, etc. Right? So if you haven't gone through that, I would request please go through it so you will get more knowledge from that. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the home page. So as we are building the school management app, and here we already done kind of set up the custom objects, their fields, relationship between those objects, and so on, right? But if you see the home page here in the school management, so this is the default page I have chosen at the time of creating the application. That from the navigation menu, I clicked on in the pencil icon you are seeing here. Let me show you. This is the pencil icon from where we can select the things, right? The pages and the items and the uh, custom tab, whatever we have built. So to show you, I just selected the default homepage here, and now what we are going to do is we are going to build a home page for our application where we can put some custom elements, some standard element like activities and all, right? And if you want to show some dashboard in the home page, you can drag and drop those dashboard elements from there, right? From that option. But how we can create it? So let's do it. So here you can see the gear icon. We have to click on the gear icon and go into the setup. And here you can see the search box. And here you have to search for Lightning App Builder, right? So if you remember, like when we were developing the school management app, so we had used the app manager to create the custom application, right? That's a school management application. But here we are going to create a page, right? So for that, we have to use the Lightning App Builder. You can see the new button here. Just click on that. So you can see the different kind of options here. So there are multiple pages you can create from here, like app page, home page, record page, other things as well. But most of the times we use home page and record page from here to create, right? So just click on the home page as we are going to create the home page. Just click on the next button. Here you have to fill the label, like which label do you want to show into the school management tab, right? So you can create school home page, right? You can see different types of page template here, which is given like header and three reasons. So if you want to show multiple elements in your page, and it should be divided, we should be divided into these sections, then you can choose these header and three reason element, and other element like home page without any section you want to display, then you can choose it. This this home template one reason, so this will show only the one reason. So for the training purpose, I am just selecting header and three reasons, right? So here you can see we have these sections already placed here. So you can like customize this section according to your requirements. So if you do have any custom components to be placed into this page, then you can when you will create a custom component using LWC, then you can place it from here, drag and drop from here to here. But we are just going to see how we can create it. So first of the things like we can put task. So this is the standard elements what we are going to uh, put from this left hand side section to right hand side section. This is the page we are going to create, and these are the section we have chosen at the time of creating the page, right? The task and activity component also we can, if do we do have that. No, we don't have that. Other component we can mm, place here like assistance, other things if you want. And most of the people used to show the activities and tasks, and the dashboard also you can keep into your home page, so that suppose you are building the application for your client, and they just want to see their application progress, right? So how their product is working and what is the growth, etc. So you can use the dashboard here, dashboard component here, but we don't have any dashboard created for now. So that is why we can't select it from here, right? So if you have any created any dashboard, then you will get the option which dashboard you want to display here. So you, when you create a dashboard, you can choose it from here, right? So from here you can, let me see if anything else I can show you in today's event. So support task and events is kind of a standard Salesforce object. So suppose we do have a account contact, and if you want to create some task against some account or contact, right? So suppose some account, suppose we do have a Suresh, and Suresh is stored as an account in our application, right? But Suresh is having some meeting or task with someone which he needs to fulfill, right? He needs to attend some events, so we can create an event under that account, right? So whatever the task and events we are going to create from that account, so those kind of data we can show here, right? Whatever the task and event data, so those kind of data we can show into the home page as well. So that would be easier to the user to view their task events, etc, right? So you have to decide at the time of building the home page what kind of components you want to place from left hand side to your page. That could be a dashboard, that could be a activities like tasks and events, right? So these kind of things you have to like pre-decide, and you will get during your project requirement, right? So this is the home page you have to build, and this is the component we need, right? As a customer, they will let you know. So you don't have to be worried about, but for the practice purpose, I just wanted to show you how we can create a home page and what are the components you can like drag and drop. So let me save this component here. For now, I'm not including anything here into the home page. Sorry, into the header section, but yeah, let me save it. After clicking on save button, you will get the option to activate this home page as well, right? So as you see, the we are having the three options here. The all default home page is displayed unless more specific assignment are needed, right? So it will be a all for the entire organization, right? The app default homepage is displayed for specified application and overrides the all default, right? So it will be when we want to display this homepage for any specific application, then we can choose this option, right? And the third one is app and profile. So if you want to show this enable this homepage for any specific application or and with any specific profile, right? So you can select this as well because you will get the option like which user uh, you want to enable to see this home page. So as you know that we do have a profile and permission set. Uh, we will discuss it later in the details, but we do define the access on the basis of profile and permission set in the Salesforce, right? So and that profile can be assigned to 100 user and some of the profile can be assigned to 20 user. But I just want to decide for which profile this home page should be visible, right? So for profile A or profile B. So that is something we can decide from here, right? So let me assign this home page for our Lightning app. This is the school management app which we had created. And the profile I just want to enable for our system admin because we are acting as a system admin. When you log into your all, will be acting as a system admin. And in later, if you create any other user with any different profile, then you can include the profile, other profile from here as well, right? But for now, I am enabling it for system admin. Just clicking on next button and clicking on save button. And let's clicking on save again. And just to be make sure that the setting has been saved, let me click on this, right? So you can see our school homepage has been created and later if you want to edit it, then you can click on edit button, then it will be redirected you to the same screen what we have seen uh, sometimes ago. Yeah, this is screen. So let me go back to our school management app. Let me refresh it. I'll refresh it. Okay, so let me use the pencil icon here and let me add the home page. Approval home. There are many home pages you are able to see here. Let me see if this is the correct one. Yes. So you can see the home page what we had created. So we don't require this home page. So we can remove it, right? We can. Let me see if we are getting the option here. If not from here, then we can go to the app manager section. Then find the school management app. Then here we can navigation. I think you can click on this. You can paste this here. Refresh this page again. There's some caching issue. Let me refresh it. I think there is a caching issue, but yeah, that is the way we can create a page and add the home page in our school management app because we had removed from there as well, so it should not be showing, right? Let me remove it from here. So this is sometimes you face this kind of issue, but that is not a major issue. Hmm. I have reset the setting now. The navigation as per our app manager. What we have chosen the tabs from there from the app manager. So we have just click on this reset navigation to default, whatever the default navigation was there into our original app manager section where we have chosen the correct home page. So that is the same setting has been like reflected here when we clicked on that reset setting, reset option, right? So here you can see whatever the homepage we have created, it is now showing into our school management app. So I hope you will be going to practice this on your machine and yeah, you will be able to create a home page, design more home page, just create a task and event, right? So task and event we can discuss into the later section, but I just wanted to give you some small overview here. So we can create a task and event from here, right? So from the account, if you go inside the account, you can click the mm, activity tab, and from here you can click the new task event, right? So from here you can create it, right? So and later we will be going to discuss more configuration related things because we have completed most of the things related to the how the application can be created, how the tabs can be created, custom object, their relationship, how the home page can be set up in our applications, right? So, and so in upcoming session, we are going to see more some complex related configurations as well, right? So we can discuss more about how the sales work, right? We earlier there was some one video where we have talked about the lead conversion process. So we will configure those lead conversion process in our system and we will see how we can like go with each and every status in sales app and how we can like uh, we can if we can get if we get the some issue then how we can resolve it. So during the session we will get to know all these things, but for now just create this application and do more hands-on or your configuration related things, what we have done till now. And if you have not watched our earlier videos, you can definitely go back into our channel and go back into our playlist section. And from there, you can get uh, more info and you can do more practice, right? So I hope today's session you understood this homepage concept. So in later videos, we will do more things. Thank you. Thanks. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you all. Bye bye.